Welcome to Cooking with Kang. Today I will be making kimchi grits. It's somewhat of an unusual dish, but I promise you, it's very delicious and my girlfriend loves it. This totally works as a side dish to any American style breakfast, but I like to make it into the main entree by topping it with a fried egg. Start off by heating up a couple of teaspoons of butter along with a half cup of water and half cup of milk. We will be adding more water and milk later on with the goal of cooking the grits for 35 to 40 minutes in order to get a super soft texture of grits. You can use any brand of kimchi and grits that you like. Today I have Nora Mill Granary Grits. It's a yellow spickled stone ground white corn grits. I found this at a small country store north of Atlanta in Helen, Georgia. Put a half cup of grits in a food processor and run it for 10 to 20 seconds. It will break it down a little bit more and helps speed up the cooking time along with making the grits less gritty. Add in some salt and pepper. Once the pot starts to boil, add in the grits. Make sure to stir right away to prevent clumping. Bring that down to simmer and cover. Don't go too far away because you will need to stir occasionally. Once the grits is cooking, chop up some kimchi into small squares. Also, cut up some green onions to garnish later on. Add in another half cup of water and stir. Add in the chopped kimchi. Totally optional, but I like to add in a slice of American cheese. You can add in whatever cheese you like or no cheese at all. Finish off with a little bit more butter and milk and you have a beautiful, rich, creamy kimchi cheese grits. Season your egg. I like Old Bay and black pepper. Now it's time for plating. Egg goes right on top of the grits. Hit it with the green onion and this is where you turn it up to 11. Some Furikake and Saracha. Give the recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Please like and subscribe and join me next time on Cooking with Kang.